concentrating all your energies onto that one most important thing of all, which is going to be so easy to think of.
A little bit more. Just bring the nose in a little bit. This is a fisheye lens here, so don't worry about that. It looks like you're over to the right, but you're not. If you look over here, you're okay. You still have like that much space there between you and the ditch, so no problem. That's good. Awesome. Okay, we'll go and do one more with the white car over on the other side there. Don't worry about that, yeah, because they have to be cranked. Yeah. Okay. Cancel your signal. I see a car coming. Okay.
Now that you're going to allow yourself to think of only one thing instead of 9, and your mind is no doubt wondering what that one thing is.
Turn right?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Well, the one thing is how good it will feel to think of only one thing. Thinking how relaxed you can be now that you're only thinking of one thing. Relaxing your mind and relaxing your body. There's no need to think of anything at all, really. No need to do anything. Nobody wanting anything and nobody expecting anything. And absolutely nothing whatsoever for you to do except to relax. And as you are relaxed now, I'd like you to take some time to think about a safe place. I want you to imagine a place, maybe in the real world, or from your imagination.
Not quite. Okay. We'll move forward. See if you can get it back into position here, like right beside it.
Yeah.
From here.
Right beside it. Like right here?
A little bit more.
Oh, there's
straight out, and we'll just wait for this guy here, because we're gonna reposition the vehicle right beside the white car.
Got it.
So a little bit more. This here should be right at the corner of his bumper here. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, now you can crank your wheels to the right. All the way to the right.
Oh.
Anywhere you feel safe.